How to create a return by uploading an Excel file in mySchneider. Select Orders Overview. Click on the Returns tab, then click Begin Return. Enter your purchaser return number and select a reason for return from the drop-down list. Review the description to ensure that it aligns with your request. Provide additional details in the free text box or upload documentation. Prepare the Excel file and save. In your Excel file, add the data in the following format: Column A, part number; Column B, quantity to return; Column C, Schneider order number; and Column D, PO number. Note that you should overwrite the existing data before submitting your return. Click Upload or Import List of Products to Return. Drag and drop the Excel file, then click Add List to Return. Verify that the information is correct, then click Submit. Success! Your return has been submitted to our ERP. Check the return screen for your return number and status. Note, if a return fails to import, you will receive a mySchneider alert and an email notifying you to check the draft return screen. If this happens, check with the Customer Care Center for assistance. Thank you for using mySchneider.